Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. For example, if you see, open your Instagram. After that, if you want to see your broadcast channel option is not showing on your Instagram profile. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram. And after that, what you have to do is next is you have to simply press and hold the Instagram app. And after that, you have to simply check whether any kind of option is available related to broadcast or not. If it is not available, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to click on iPhone storage. And here what you have to do next is you have to simply wait for some time. So here you have to simply click on Instagram, and this time you have to simply click on offload app. And after clicking on offload app, you will see the option of reinstall the app. And after installing the app, you have to check whether your Instagram broadcast channel option is showing or not. If it is not showing, then what you have to do, you have to simply go for the next step, which is as that you have to simply go to App Store or Play Store in your Android device. So here you have to simply search for Instagram. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, what you have to do, you have to again check that broadcast channel option is showing or not. If it is still not available, then you have to simply go for the next step, which is as that you have to simply go to 3 lines. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down, go to settings and privacy, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of account type and tools. So here what you have to do, you have to simply switch to your professional account. As you switch to your professional account, you will got the Instagram broadcast channel option. But if you have already converted your account to professional account and you are not still getting the broadcast option, then you have to simply click on 3 lines. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to simply search for help. So here you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team, and you have to simply ask for the solution of the problem that you are not having the broadcast channel option. So you have to simply tell the details about all the problem. So you have to simply provide a screenshot, and you have to simply click on send, and your problem will be sent to Instagram team, and they will solve for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.